If you want to record phone calls on Motorola Moto G87, the first thing that you can do is you can check if you have a built-in option that allows you to record phone calls. Usually, if that option is available, you can find it in the call menu during a call. For example, we can tap on more to try to find it, or you might be able to find it even somewhere over here in the main menu of the call menu over here. But there is also a chance that you will not have the option to record phone calls on your phone. There might be no built-in option to do so, which is also my case right now. So in order to fix this, we can use a third-party app that allows us to record phone calls. So let's hang up. And now we should be able to go to the Play Store and we can search for an app that allows us to record phone calls. So we can simply type call recorder or something similar to that. And as you can see, we have many different example apps that we can use. So feel free to try any of them. In my case, I'm gonna use this one, the Call Recorder Cube ACR. I'm gonna install it and I'm gonna show you how to set it up and more or less how it works. So feel free to follow my steps over here. But if you don't like this app or if it doesn't work for you properly, you can also try to use a different app. So let's open it, then let's go next over here and we need to grant permissions. So let's do so. There we go. And then we're gonna turn off power optimization for the app. So press on OK and then tap on allow. Over here we have the call location tagging, which I'm gonna tap on no thanks, I don't need it. Then we have the premium offer, which we can close in the upper left corner, just like that. And then we have an option to install a helper, which is additional app for the main app that is going to help the main app actually run properly. So I'm going to install the helper and most likely you will be redirected to this website over here where we can download the helper APK, and this is the option that I'm going to use. So I'm going to download the app, and of course if you try to install it, you will be probably informed that you are trying to install an app from an unknown source, so you will have to grant the permission for the browser to install the app. You will have a pop-up which will help you actually enable it so you can use that. And then we're going to open the helper. Now we're going to tap on the next over here. We need to grant permissions again. There we go. And then we need to tap on go to accessibility, and we should be able to find Cube ACR app connector. So we can tap over here. We need to tap over here to see this message, app was denied access. We need to actually see it. And then we're going to close it and go back. And then go to apps. Now on this list, we need to find the Cube ACR helper. We need to select it and tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and we need to choose allow restricted settings and verify yourself with the screen lock password or the fingerprint. And then we're gonna go back to the app again and once again choose go to accessibility. Over here now we can go to Cube ACR app connector and we can enable the app over here. Tap on allow. Now here we have the information that we can get better call recording if you use wireless debugging, which is available if you have developer options enabled. And I don't think it's really worth it, although if you want to, you can follow these instructions that you can see on the screen to do so. There's also a chance that you will not see it if you don't have a developer options enabled. I think it's just too much hassle to actually make it work. But of course, feel free to follow the instructions that you will see on the screen if you decide to continue. In my case, I'm just going to ignore. Then we can disable power optimization, so let's tap on allow over here, and the app is ready to be used, and we're going to open the Cube ACR now. Now once we open the main app, you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, and we can enable recording over here, or at least we can make sure that it is enabled. You can also find some additional settings, like for example recording settings over here, so you want to make sure that it is set up properly, however you want it to work. And other than that, you want to also make sure that, of course, it is properly recording. So in my case, I'm just gonna call myself. And there we go. We should see a notification that the recording is ongoing. You will see both apps, notifications from both apps over here, and informing you that they are recording. So the app records automatically. And one thing that I have to mention is, especially if you didn't go through those developer options, is that the recording might be slightly unclear if you use the earpiece. So you might not be able to hear the caller properly. So in that case, what you can do is you can use the loudspeaker over here. You can enable the speaker here, and then you can use that to make sure that the recording sounds fine, that you can hear the caller on the recording. Now, once we are done with the call, you can find your recording by going to the Cube ACR app, and here it is. We can, of course, play it back, tap on these three dots, and we can find some additional options as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.